In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself or another user as a watcher on a ClickUp task. Whether you're streamlining your notifications or managing your team's workflow, this simple process will help you keep things organized and relevant to your needs. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open the specific task in ClickUp from which you wish to remove a watcher. Navigating to the right task is the crucial first step. Make sure you're in the right workspace and on the correct task to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're in the task view, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll find a bell icon. This bell represents the notification settings for the task. Now go ahead and click on the bell icon. This action will bring up a list of all the current watchers associated with that task. Scroll through this list to find the individual you intend to remove. Whether it's yourself or another user, make sure you correctly identify the person. It's important to note that as the task creator, you may have been automatically added as a watcher, and you do have the option to remove yourself if you choose. So once you've identified the watcher you wish to remove, simply click on their avatar in the list. This step effectively removes them from the task's watcher list. It's a straightforward and essential action for managing who receives updates and notifications. But there's more. Did you know you can also remove watchers from ClickUp docs with a similar method? By accessing the comment section within a doc and clicking the bell icon, you have the opportunity to manage watchers effectively there as well. Additionally, ClickUp offers flexibility with its Quick Create Tasks and Bulk Action toolbar, where you can also manage watcher settings. These features come in handy when you're dealing with multiple tasks or looking for a more efficient way to update watcher settings across several items. By following these simple steps, you're taking control of your notifications, ensuring your attention is aligned with your priorities. Remember, effective notification management is pivotal in maintaining productivity and minimizing distractions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your ClickUp tasks more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy ClickUpping!